It's a matter of great pride for me to spearhead the largest police organization of the country. Punjab Police is known for its professionalism, dedication and commitment. With new challenges ahead, we need to improve our work culture for better service delivery to the citizens. We are digitizing our processes and day-to-day work, leading other law enforcement agencies in the country. With our unique initiatives like Front Desk, Criminal Record Management System, Human Resource Management System, Police Complaint Management System 8787, Khidmat Markaz and Punjab Police Integrated Control and Command Center. I believe with these technological interventions, the effectiveness of Punjab Police will enhance manifold. Efforts are afoot to provide a better police that is politically neutral, operationally autonomous, democratically accountable, and professionally competent, loaded with improved service delivery and enhanced community engagement. Our utmost effort is to serve the people with courtesy and protect their lives, property, and honor as best as we can.